It's DCS right back again, and yup, in case if you haven't noticed, it's another weekend, and I hope you guys are safe at home, due to the coronavirus thing. So yup, don't worry guys, I'm here to entertain you all for this weekend, and here I have is the RC car, guys. So this time it is the RC car series. It's from BJL Toys, and it's not just any ordinary RC car. It's from the Fate of the Furious 8, guys, the Fast and Furious 8. It's the Dodge Ice Charger, guys, a very cool car. I mean, like, it's so damn cool. I really liked the Ice Charger at the end scene. It was so awesome. Well, yeah, here I have the RC car of it. So yeah, before we get into the details and unboxing, I know it lacks a lot of details and it doesn't look so exact to the Ice Charger which we saw in the movie, but still, it resembles it. And yeah, before we get into the unboxing and stuff, we gotta talk about the last week's video. The last week's video was the short sketch video, guys. I hope you guys liked it, and if you haven't watched that, check that out. It'll be popping up in the screen right now. So yeah, we don't have any quick things this time. Well, yeah, and also we don't have any viewers cars. That's quite a disappointment. But if you want to see your car in my videos, just send the image to my Gmail. It'll be in the description below. So yep guys, and yeah, don't forget to put your name in the image too. So yeah, let's just go for the unboxing, guys. The package inclusives. Let's see what's this car packing for us. So it's the package inclusives now, guys. So it's not that interesting, as it does not come with an extra set of tires or spoilers or anything as such. So at first we have the batteries, guys. It's the same NICD 700 mAh 4.8 volt battery. It's just the 1.2 volt 700 mAh battery in a pack of 4. Yeah, it's like in a battery pack, so it's quite similar to the McLaren. And here we have its charger, fairly normal AC/DC adapter. It puts out 4.8 volts, 250 megahertz. So yeah, that's fairly normal charger, guys. And moving on to the remote. In terms of quality, guys, trust me, this is the poorest quality remote. Like, actually the plastics is not so much good, it's quite crappy, but still I like the feel of the buttons. It's quite like accurate. And yeah, it actually misses the power indicator. That's really disappointing, guys. Actually, they should provide the power indicator. It's not so cool without it. So yeah, there goes the remote, guys. And here we have the car, which is quite nice. And yeah, that's it in the package inclusives, guys. So let's just go for the features and details. Alright guys, so here it is, the features and details of the Dodge Ice Charger, guys. So this car is more of a go than show, guys. It has a lot of features compared to the details and stuff. For example, look at its front end. It has got that cool suspension, completely exposed, guys. And talking about exposure, the entire body at the bottom is seen. Like, you can even see the wires and stuff. It's not covered properly. So yeah, you have that cool suspension to the front and the back, and yup, these tires can be replaced, guys. And yup, these tires are also massively grip tires, guys. So that's quite cool. And you can also change these wheels, guys. Like, it's removable. You can just remove them. And coming into detailings, yeah, this car lacks a lot of detailings. It kind of resembles the Dodge, but it's not so much exact, and it also does not have the side view mirrors. Really disappointing with that. But the spoiler at the rear is quite nice. I really like that. And you have the flux capacitor over here, as shown in the movie. It's nice. And yeah, around that this car lacks details, but it has got a lot of features. So I hope, yeah, this car will have a fast motor too. And yep, here you have the standard functions, the forward, reverse, left and right, and it does not have any lights, so that's also another disappointment. Well, then we have to check it in terms of performance, which will be in the test video, guys. So yup, here it is, the end of my video, and I forgot the ratings, guys. So in the ratings, I give it an 8 out of 10, guys, because it misses a lot of detailings and the underneath is completely hollow. So yeah, Yeah, there you have it, guys, the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week, guys. Stay home, stay safe, stay quarantined, and also stay tuned for my next week's video. I'll see you then. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend.